Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to do a quick video here about a must-have if you own a Mazda. And the reason I say it's a must-have, I'm speaking about somebody who lives in Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, someplace in the Midwest, someplace where we have a fluctuation in the seasons and you're going to get rain or snow or slush or ice or any type of dampness whatsoever. We always recommend for people to go with Mazda's all-weather mats. They are designed to fit inside the Mazda that you purchase, whether it be a CX-5, CX-50, CX-30, or CX-90. It's a great accessory addition to your vehicle to keep the inside of your vehicle as clean as possible. It will protect your vehicle from the salt and the slush and the mud and all the nastiness that's outside. Mazda's all-weather mats are durable, they're tough, they're long-lasting, and they're stylish. So your vehicle will still look good, it will feel good, and you will feel good having them in your car. So come see us here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. You can talk to our service department or our parts counter, and you can ask for some all-weather mats. Very affordable. They'll take care of you. They'll get you the right size. We'll even install them for you. Take care. We'll look for you on the lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.